Good morning to all. Joint venture is divided into three methods. Okay. So first method is separate set of books. Second method, recording in existing books. It means separate set of books is not maintained each venture. That means all the co-ventures maintained a account. It is divided into two types. Complete record by all co-venturers, complete record by one of the co-venturers. Okay. Now I explain complete record by all co-venturers. In case 4 co-venturers are there in a joint venture, 4 co-venturers maintain a separate joint venture account and separate individual account. In this problem, 2 persons entered into a joint venture. What are the 2 persons? Raja and Mohan. Their ratio, profit and losses sharing ratio is 3:2. Raja sent 10,000 goods to Mohan. Goods in transit amount is 1,000. Okay, Raja sent 10,000 worth of goods and made expenses rupees 1,000. Mohan also put rupees 15,000 worth of goods and spent rupees 900. Okay, Mohan also contributed goods and made expenses. Mohan sold all the goods for rupees 35,000. In a joint venture, total sales is 35,000. Okay, in this problem, the joint venture had a profit. He, that means Mohan, received a commission on sales at 6%. 35,000 into 6%. He got 2,100. Give journal entries and prepare necessary ledger accounts in the books of both the parties because complete record by all co-venturers. First, in the books of Raja, Raja contributed 10,000 goods of worth. Okay, goods worth rupees 10,000. So entry is joint venture account data to goods. He made expenses 1,000. So entry is joint venture account data to cash. Mohan contributed 15,000 worth of goods. So joint venture account data to Mohan. He contributed 900 for goods in transit expenses. Joint venture account data to Mohan. Then sales. Sales by, that means all the goods are sold by Mr. Mohan. Mohan account data to joint venture rupees 35,000. Mohan received a commission. So joint venture account data to Mohan 2,100. So these 2 entries I explained in ledger after completing the joint venture account. First, joint venture ledger. It is similar to the trading account. Total sales is 35,000. What are the expenses? Raja contributed 10,000 worth of goods and he made expenses 1,000. Mohan contributed goods rupees 15,000. He made expenses 900 and Mohan commission is 2,100. So balance 6,000. We had a profit on the joint venture. They had a, okay. Raja, their ratio is 3:2. So 3,600 and 2,400 as a profit for Raja and Mohan. So entry, joint venture account data to Mohan and Raja. Okay. In this case, we know the entries. We know the entries in easy way. Okay. So in a joint venture account, by sales, Mohan sales is 35,000. So what is the entry? Mohan account attached to joint venture. In this case, goods purchased, joint venture account attached to goods. Expenses, joint venture account attached to cash. Mohan contributed, joint venture account attached to Mohan. Then Mohan expenses, joint venture account attached to Mohan. Then commission, joint venture account attached to Mohan. So it is easily understandable the ledger and journal also. Now prepare the Mohan account, because Mohan is the seller in the joint venture, because he done all the goods in the 35,000 rupees. He sold it. Okay. So how much he got sales? Joint venture sales is 35,000. How much he contributed? That means Mohan contributed 15,000. Then expenses 900, commission 2,100, profit is 2,400. So balance amount is transferred to Raja. So by bank, that means balancing figure, we have the amount. That means in a joint venture balance amount is 14,600. So bank account attached to Mohan, 14,600. Now we see the journal entries of Mohan. Joint venture account attached to Raja. Raja contributed 10,000 worth of goods. Then he got expenses 1,000. Mohan contributed 15,000 worth of goods. Then he made expenses 900. Joint venture sales. Cash account attached to joint venture 35,000. Joint venture to commission. Because it is in the books of Mohan, so we don't write in the name Mohan. Okay. Then joint venture account attached to profit or loss. Mohan and Raja. Afterwards, balance bank account attached to Mohan 14,600. So in this case, bank account data, this is the, who is the receiver? Raja is a receiver. So entry is Raja account data to bank. Okay. Being draft sent to Raja. The amount 14,600 is sent to Raja by Mohan. Now we have to prepare another joint venture account. Why? Because in this method is complete record by all co-venturers. So Mohan also maintain a joint venture account. Raja also maintain a joint venture account. Okay. By cash sales 35,000, and these are the expenses. It is similar to the last joint venture account. Afterwards, Raja account. How much Raja got amount? Because he contributed material 10,000, joint venture expenses 1,000, joint venture profit 3,600. So 14,600 go to Raja account.